Okie dokie, my little professionals. It's time for us to get to work in the journals. Our instructions say, now it's your turn to research any job in the community on Pebble Go, to illustrate and label them with their tools. Then complete the sentence stem. Here's the sentence stem in yellow. A blank provides a blank. Good or service. You wrote that sentence stem for me yesterday. Do you remember what job you drew in your journal yesterday? A what? Teacher. Good memory. Here is a picture of my journal from yesterday. You have your journal to see too if you don't remember. We said a teacher provides a blank. Good or service? What did we write? Good or service? Service. You got it. Because she's giving the job, she's helping the kids of learning. So I drew her with her tools here in her classroom, and we filled in the blank with good or service. You'll do the same thing today, but not a teacher. You have that one from yesterday to remind you what to do, but today you get to pick what job you want. Here's some of the jobs you will see in Pebble Go. Take a look at all your options and click one to pick. What looks interesting to you? What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to learn about today? Your choice. I've made it very easy for you to, here in your slide, click on the Pebble Go picture. Click here, click, and it will bring you to the Pebble Go jobs in the community
Dentist,
page.
librarians,
Scroll down and check them all.
veterinary, teacher, firefighter,
When you find one you like, click and open it. You'll want to listen to all the tabbies just like we did yesterday. But while you're listening, start your picture. Show me that job. What are they doing? What are the tools they're using? I love details. I love color. When you've gone through all of your tabbies and you've seen your video, it's time to write next. You'll be writing the same sentence you did yesterday, but it will not say a teacher provides. You have to fill in with what job did you choose today. Did you say a garbage collector, a firefighter, a veterinarian, a nurse, a librarian? What job did you pick? That goes in the first blank. You'll tell me a firefighter, a librarian, a veterinarian. Then provides a what? A good or a service? Complete the sentence with what they give the community. And give me lots and lots and lots of color details on that job and those tools. When your journal has a complete sentence, capital letter, a period, you wrote for me the job you researched today, you told me good or service, you have so much color, so many details, and you're proud of your work. Then you're ready to take a picture and turn it in to your teacher on Google Classroom. I cannot wait to see which profession you researched today. Do your best, take your time, lots of details, and I'll see you tomorrow.